Dude, you have potential. I knew it. You won me my fantasy league. Seriously. $100. I did.
How about you just come buy a pulled pork sandwich? How about that? All right, we'll call it even. All right?
Take one pulled pork.
You want a pulled pork sandwich? All right. Oh, man, we got it.
Come down this way. Come down this way. Wheat?
Football, 6 inch. I'm going to try my best.
Yep, so you put one scoop on each 6 inch.
All right.
That's what I'm talking about. That's a generous serving right there. It's called the friendly serving.
Get your money's worth here. Like cold cheese? Cold cheese?
What kind of cheese, Russell?
You like cold cheese?
All right, thanks.
Good stuff. Rhythm going, Jared. All right, get cracking, man. Let's do it. Okay, it's all in the hips, huh?
It's just weird, yeah. So, can I get one more, you guys? Right?
Me and Jared Fogle are out here promoting Subway's barbecue pulled pork sandwich. We're actually here for something that's called Pulling for a Cause, and that's where the pulled pork comes from, and it's to help Alabama and the people of Alabama that have recently had some hardship over there. You can help out by texting 27722. Texting food to that number, 27722, and that'll donate $10. And for every dollar that we make, Subway will match. And it's just a good cause for everybody involved in it, and we're excited. And Alabama is actually one of the original homes for barbecue, and so it's a nice little segue. And plus, anytime any major corporation or anybody can help out people that are going through some tough times, I think it's a must that you do.
Let's try this delicious pulled pork.
Let's do it. Good stuff. What inspired you to lose the weight?
Actually, I weighed 425 pounds, and that was enough. I needed to do something. So I said, I live next door to a Subway. It was just a crazy idea. I had to try it, see if it would work, eat twice a day. And
A whole person.
crazy. That's crazy. 2 women. Or none.
I know I'm gonna have trouble. So they won't show up. Alright. Did we get what we need?